Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up as an Instacart shopper. If you don't have an Instacart shopper account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will be asked to enter your zip code. Enter it on the field provided, then click on Get Started. To sign up, enter your first name, last name and the email and cell phone number you wish to use. Also, enter again your zip code. After entering, click on Create Account. To get a link of the app, enter your phone number. Then click on the button that says Text me the download link. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page from which you can download the app. If you're also using an iOS, click on the Get button. Otherwise, click on the button shown on your screen. Once downloaded, click on Open. So this is how Instacart Shopper looks like in the app. Since we've already created an account, click on Log In. Now, you could log in using your phone number or with a password. In this video, I chose to log in with my phone number. If you also chose to log in with your phone number, you will receive a code. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Now, you will see a short glimpse of how Instacart works. And once you're logged in, choose your role. Since we signed up as an Instacart shopper, click on Shop and Drive. Then scroll down and read the following important details. Once read, click on Next. To become a shopper, you must meet all the requirements shown on this screen. Click on the tick boxes to confirm that you have met the requirements. After that, click on the Join Waitlist button. And now you're on the waitlist. Once the role has become available, you will receive an email. That's how you sign up to Instacart Shopper. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.